可以啊。
Hello, friend. Today we will show you the how to repair this one motherboard. Okay, Windows layout. It's a 15 inch. 那个声音小了。This one. Okay, i7. No power. Okay, so now we'll show you the how to repair this motherboard. This model, you can see this model is
我拿来。
Okay, this model. 因为
在这，信号在这。
so this one. P42F. Okay, P42F. And this one is
在这，应该是15。15
这个
15。
yes. 15R2. This model. Okay, 15R2. Now we will connect the power to see the current. 你先按肯定按有没有反应？
这肯定没反应。
Yeah, you can see clean the power button. No response. No response. So now connect the power to see the current.
它电池可以，电源不行。
你要展示这个问题吗？
对啊。
可以给他看一下。
可以啊。
This motherboard is use the battery is okay. You can see.
可以，电池快没电了，电池。刚。电池没电了。
再看一下。Use the battery, it can power on. But use the power supply, cannot power on, cannot turn on. Maybe the battery is no power, no voltage.
不行。
能看到这里吗？
可以啊。
Cannot connect the power. You can see this current.
你这个没有，它是6位，它是不是没有？
什么6位？
没有电流。
没反应了。
没反应。
Can you see? Connect the power. No response. The voltage the current is 000. So the motherboard cannot power on. But you use the battery, T can power on. Okay, use only battery, T can power on.
这电池有时候可以。
So this is about maybe the charging socket have the problem. Okay, you see connect the power supply. The current, no current, so 000. But you use the battery. Now it's the battery voltage is low. Before the battery, T can power on. Okay, use the only battery, T can power on. But cannot charge it. So no, cannot power on. Okay.
拆出来吧。
Now we are to open the button case to test the motherboard. Remove the screw. Okay, open the bottom case, remove the motherboard. So this is a Windows laptop, 15-inch. The problem is you connect the power supply, no response. So you use the battery. Okay, use the battery, T can power on. Okay, use the battery, T can power on. So the problem is from the charging socket. Charging socket. Now to remove the motherboard, disconnect all the cable. Okay, this one is a battery cable, battery connection. Okay, connect the battery. 这是电池吧？
电池是没错。这是电池，这是电源，一会儿要全部拆开。
And this one is the
没有吸力。
啊，没事，吸力，
没事。
你这个磁点。
我调开，我再说吧。
Open the button case. So this Windows laptop is a different MacBook. Remove the other screw. Okay, so now disconnect all the cable and remove the keyboard. Okay, now it's now is disconnect the display cable. This one display cable. To remove the motherboard. This is a Wi-Fi line. Remove the screen.
都拆平了，因为下边压了散热器了。
好，你现在啥？拆主板。
拆主板。
屏不用拿。
必须拿。散热器在下面的。
So you must remove the screen because the CPU is sit inside the motherboard. So now remove the screen.
它怎么跳那去了？Okay, now to remove the motherboard. 放上去，放上去。可以扩一点。这个remove the motherboard screw. Now remove the motherboard.
换一个后面这个风扇。
So the Windows laptop, all of the screws and the cable. You see, now take out the motherboard.
先来清一下，我把这个电源拆出来。
You can see this motherboard. So very big. And this are memory, 2 memory. This a CPU heatsink and graphics card. Okay, and the PCH is a PCH. Okay, this is a DC power cable, and this one is a battery, 3 mOS for the belts battery.
先测组织。
拿进去，这边反光。Now use the multimeter setting the diode mode to test the inductor. Okay, to test the inductor.
测一下看有没有短路。
Yes, to find the let me have the short socket. Okay, short socket. Find the short socket. You can check the older inductor. But this motherboard, to use the battery, it can power on. So the problem from the charging socket. Okay, from the charging socket.
这是公用点，这是
Now you check the
公用点正常。
PV bus. Which one? 那个啥，你看了那个界面？啊，现在。Okay, you can see the motherboard number here. The board number. This one.
多重点吧。C912P 嘛。
This is a motherboard number. LA underscore C912P. Okay, this is a motherboard number. So now we are open the schematic. Okay, to find the PV bus. Open the schematic. Now open the schematic. 看看。
直接找公用点，这是微音，这微音直接进来之后过去。
你要告诉他从哪里搜索？天眼头吧。
我先搜那个
天眼头吗？
电头 GPTC。
Okay, now to find the P bus voltage from the DC connector. Okay, from the DC connector to find the
对。
now search
这是
JP
微音。
JPDC1 this connector. Okay, this connector 放那里。This one is a DC power supply input. Okay, from the DC power supply.
这是电话头过去之后，插这个电压，插这微音。
Now to search the VIN, V in, voltage in.
我们的微音是微音吗？
Search the VIN.
这不对，
Now find the P bus.
这里，这是 mouse 管吧？
放大一点。
啊，这不错。
可以。Okay, you can see the power supply from the V in, then to the MOSFET, transmit to the P1,
还有两个 mouse 管。
P1, then change to the P2. The last one, the name is a B plus.
直接测电源测这就可以了。 这个是 V in，这是 BB 加。
Yes, P2 is a V in, and B plus is a P bus.
先测
So now we are together to measure the VIN, V voltage in.
PQ 707。
So we can measure the voltage from the PQ 707. This MOSFET, this N channel MOSFET.
然后这里
Now find this MOSFET. 这个等一下，放上去voltage。
测那个 PQ 那个
Connect the power. Connect the power supply. Then measure the PQ 707. The voltage.
然后20伏用场，
Okay, you can see V in 10G voltage is okay.
然后这里隔离没有保护，这个没过去。
P1 right? P1.
P1，还有这个 P1 没有
V
电。
in is okay. 10G volt is okay. But the P1 no voltage. P1. This one. This P1. Here, the P1 no voltage. This P1 no voltage. Okay, VIN is okay, but the P1 is
把
MOSFET.
它放大，然后看第4角，然后开启角。
Okay, now we'll check the pin 4. Pin 4 is the control. Check the pin 4. 你微距给他看见吗？
我求一眼，不用，我差不多，没事。只要
我给他看见这个测试点在哪里。
哦，第4角吧，可以。第4角。
PQ 707 this one pin 4
没有，这是第4角。
等一下，我没听，测了吗？第4角。
第4角。
Pin 4, you can see pin 4 no voltage. So that means mostly the control no control. Okay, the control the pin 4 no voltage.
把电源拔掉，然后测阻值。
等等 pin 4 no voltage. Okay, so the problem from the this MOSFET is not working. Okay, pin 5, you can see pin 5 VIN is okay, input is okay, but P1 1, 2, 3 pin is no voltage, so now check the pin 4. Pin 4 is EN. EN also no voltage. So now disconnect the power to measure the die value. 放上去应该看不到这个电池。Okay, now disconnect the power.
拔掉，我拔掉。
Okay, to
测验阻
set
值，
in the
看
dial mode, check the pin 4. Pin 第4角。
我看它挡不挡住，它应该是 A， 这样看没有？这样是正常的，就挡过去。
是的，就是 MOSFET is okay.
属于是 A， 我挡正常。
This MOSFET is okay, no problem.
对啊，它只要2个不短接都没事。这个是短路的。不，你先再测那个另外一个 MOS 管。这
哪一个 MOSFET？
那个 PQ 702。
这个。
嗯。
等一下。Now we are measure this MOSFET PQ 702. Okay, PQ 702. This MOSFET.
测下阻值。
Check the die value. 那你在哪里？
这里。这里。
你放上去。
对。702。
哪一个？
这个。
哦，是的 ，this one PQ 702 the die value. 哪一个点？
我这两个先测一下，就是短路的。
Okay, you can see check this one. From the pin 1 to pin 5, this MOSFET, you can see the dial. So 00 is short. Normal, T must have the dial value, but now it's a 00. So this MOSFET, you can see this MOSFET, PQ702.
把它
This
拆下
one.
来，
PQ702, this PQ702. From pin 1 to pin 5, the dial value is short. This one is a 00. Pin 1 to pin 5 00. So this MOSFET is damaged. Okay, the MOSFET is damaged. Now we are to remove this MOSFET to change, replace this MOSFET.
先把它拆掉。
那个看一下。This one PQ702. To replace this MOSFET first. A 杠 setting the 420. Okay, to replace the T2, replace the MOSFET. This MOSFET. Okay, now to remove the MOSFET. To replace this MOSFET. And now remove this MOSFET to replace the
对吧？这个
拔下来。按照一样红大的。Now to cool down the motherboard.
然后供电测电压，
这个是不太开了，还没吹两粒。Okay, now connect the power to test the voltage.
充电，
那你不确定要拿过去？
先通，可以。
通了。Connect the power. Connect the voltage. 是哪个电呀？
我是那个1、2、3、3角，测这个。
是的 this MOSFET 的 pin 3。This one. This MOSFET pin 3，等一下。pin 3 the voltage. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 3 C. Now to the pin 3 voltage. This one pin 3. You can see the voltage is 20 volt is okay. Pin 3 is okay.
这个肯定没有的，这是正常的。然后再测那个第4角，
等一下。
第4角。
Now test the pin 4. This one pin 4. Pin 4 voltage.
26伏正常升压的。
Okay, you can see the pin 4 is a 10T6, so the voltage is okay. Pin 4, this one, pin 4, so 10T4. Pin 1 is a 10T voltage from the pin 1. You can see the pin 1 voltage.
可以吧
Pin 1 voltage from the VE. You can see from the VE. Okay, from the VE, from the VE.
第4角升压到26伏，给它导通。
And pin 4, the voltage is from the controller, from the charger IC. You can see this one. From the charger IC. Pin 4, you see pin 4 here. Connect to the charger IC. Pin 4 to here, then to connect to the this IC. This one. Charger IC. is a charger IC. So pin 4 voltage is okay. You can see pin 4. Pin 4 is okay. Pin 1 20 volt. Pin 4 is a 26. So this MOSFET is damaged. This MOSFET.
换一个。
Now we are to replace this MOSFET. Okay, replace this MOSFET. PQ702 to replace this MOSFET. This one. Okay, this one MOSFET. You can from the donor board. Okay, this one damaged. So this socket is a little different mainboard, but you must understand the controller and the charging socket. Then you can.
首先挑那个上管。
Okay, now I use the other motherboard. This Sony SONY Sony. This dial. So different, but you find the MOSFET. Find the MOSFET from the charging socket. 网上已经看得看不到，你看这个一样的。反红了。
旁边。
Find this MOSFET.
找个上管。
From the charging socket. Yes, this one.
这边这个管子。这种
You
管
can
子。
see here, from here. So this MOSFET. Find the MOSFET. This MOSFET is same.
抽选上管，不用下管。
可以等等。你看放了，因为这个管看不到。
这个。
在网上你拆哪个管子？Okay, to remove this MOSFET. 在网上你。
再往下。
这个管子一样这样。可以。Okay, to remove this MOSFET from the other motherboard. Okay. Now use air gun. 420. 看。420. Okay, to remove this MOSFET from the other motherboard. Okay, now change this MOSFET. Remove from the other motherboard. Now to install this MOSFET. So you don't need to buy the same motherboard. You can from the other motherboard. Hold on the motherboard.
找第一角看看。这是第一角。
This is the pin 1.
开始插电。
对。
先测组织吧。
你测。
看是 N 沟道的。
We're not 这个 dial。那你放上去，你再往上移，
哦，
板
对，
往上移，看不到板。
我把，
嗯，
我看一看，洗一下，有点脏。
Okay, so now replace this MOSFET, not the dial. 等一下，是不是？
对呀，我对呀，没有组织吗？不对呀，有。
Yeah. You can see now. You can see to the pin 1 and the pin 5. The dial is 0.48. Before is 00. So now replace the other MOSFET. The dial is normal 0.4.
那反过来，反过来是无声的，没事。
Yeah, just the other side is 1,000. 在这没看到。
啊，
You can see before is the pencil, multimeter pencil, change the other side. Now the dial is 1,000. 一点到吗？
贴到这里就。哎，刚刚还能点到。
点那里边去。
它这个
表没问题。头给打了。哇，
这刚刚还能碰见，
不管它了。
对吧？
Okay, so now to the dial is okay 0.47. Now connect the power to the voltage.
没有总是。
Now connect the power to this
还是
voltage.
凸出来了。
Okay, now you can see the voltage is okay. 10 watts. Okay, the MOSFET P2. 有人说 this MOSFET P2702 the pin 5 now is 10 watt is okay. Before it's 0. Okay, before this voltage is 0. Now it's 10 voltage. Okay, replace the MOSFET. Now the voltage is 10 watt. 现在怎么了？
我找开机角，开机盘我在这儿，我好像有一个断。
然后拿过来一点。Now to find the power button, then you can see the
我找开机角找不到，直接那个装去吧，开始装上去。
Okay, now to disconnect 网上你能看到那个，你看那个啊 ，disconnect the power to insert the motherboard to the insert this motherboard, then to see the current.
装上去。摄像头装上去。
connect the 网上一点就看
哦，
大屏幕，这个你自己在操作，别人看那就感觉。Okay, connect this power cable.
电源头 哎，我那个图呢？
那你往左边一点，你看进度，每个动作都看见进度。Now insert the motherboard. Connect this DC power supply cable. 这个电流这么小，待机这么小吗？
待机正常来说应该
没这么小。
没这么小，
怎么讲？
相关。
苹果店应该有开关，我记得开关是在哪个位置？
往左边一点。
我不找了。
那就 test connect the power supply. Connect the power button.
试一下。
Okay, now connect the power. To see the current.
看一下，哎，
关键时候教练
好了。
Okay, connect the power. You can see the current.
Okay.
Here. Look at the current. Okay, power button. And now you can see TK power 1, 1.2, 1.3. Okay, now it's the power 1 and display. So before this motherboard use the power supply is cannot power 1. Just the battery is okay. That's the battery TK the display. Or use the power cable. Power supply not
拔掉了。
from the motherboard to find the problem is the MOSFET damage. Okay, the MOSFET, this MOSFET, this one, PQ702 damage. Okay, this MOSFET damage. So the use the power supply cannot power on. Okay, use the battery is okay. Use the battery is okay because this one is a PV bus. You can see from this side VE to this MOSFET.
我把它没卡到位。
MOSFET, then to this MOSFET, the last one to the PQ702. Then to change the is a B plus. B plus is a PV bus. Okay, it's a PV bus.
继续讲，我把那个没卡位。
So the problem is from the VE 20 volt is okay. P1 no voltage. Okay, the first one to the P1 no voltage. Then to the pin 4. This pin 4 also no voltage. So that because the pin 4 to connect to the PQ702. So to this one. To the pin 1 is okay. Okay, to this pin 1 is okay. 20 volt. And the pin 4 is 26 voltage. Also is okay. Pin 4 the voltage from the charging IC. You can see the pin 4 connect to here. Wait, find the pin 4.
prepare pin 4 to connect to the charger IC, this charger IC. Okay, check the voltage is 26. For example, you check the pin 4, no voltage. So the problem from the charger IC. Okay, remember, pin 4 control is a charging IC. You check the pin 4, no voltage, so the charging IC problem. For this motherboard, you check the pin 4, the voltage is 26, so it's okay. Pin 5, this pin 5, no voltage. Okay, pin 5, no voltage. So the problem from this MOSFET, PQ702. And then you use the multimeter to the diode. Pin 1 to pin 5 is short, it's a 000. So this MOSFET damaged. The last one, we should replace this MOSFET, this one. From the this MOSFET.
Oh, MOSFET.
This one. This MOSFET from this here. 给你们看一下，找到点。
对 PQ702。
This one, PQ702. Okay, this MOSFET damaged. Okay, this MOSFET. So use the battery, it's okay. Use the power supply, not working. Okay, so now install the motherboard. This socket, the Windows letter, maybe it's easy, right? It's easy than the MacBook because the socket, the one side is the battery control, the other side is the charger IC control.
差不多今天这个时间把握的好。
掉了你的线。
看见动打。
Now install the screw 往上去。
这个都是，
是啊，是的。我给他们看一下，用它破了一点的那个，看舒服。把这个休门给关掉了。
Okay, so these are multiple. The problem from the mostly damage. And in the future, also we'll show you the how to repair the Windows letters. Windows letter.
你多少日恢复啊？
没回复。
我的客户里有没有看到？你那个1398的还有，那是不是跑路了？1398的，
没有啊，没转过。
我花这么多钱，耗这么长时间，来个他尝一下味道。
不要了。
对呀，那电池、硬盘、主板、键盘。买一个都差不多这价了。
买个都不用那么贵的。Okay, so now insert the screw.
下次你说定金。说定金，这老机器。
定金。
跑路了。
跑路你进口你有，我就拿给你自用。
那么大，给你也不要，那么快呀！
So you have any question, you can ask me, okay, about the motherboard repair. Have any question? Windows letter. 就 repair. Have any question about the motherboard repair? Okay, so last one, you connect the battery cable. Okay, remember the last one. Connect this battery cable. 明白吗
？100听不懂。
And now to test the connect the power. Test the motherboard first.
屏线不装了没有？装了。
我能看。
connect the power.
看一眼能充电吗？可以充电。
Okay, now also you can charge it. You can see.
对，要你这个带不动，你这个它这是实安的。
是啊，因为它充不到我吧。Now you can see you can charge it.
开机。
3 points. Okay. Before it's no charging, now it's okay. 飞箱让拿过来的吗？
不是，那个现在痔疮的。
拿这个给他看。你这个反光了。
我把那个电那个电把我。还有个问题，风扇还管它吗？风扇不管了。
你启动是这样子的吧？Okay, now it's a display.
OK，
Connect the hard disk. No, connect the SSD.
哦妈呀！客户的资料不让咱看了。
没事，进入系统中。
系统啊，
转一下那里就可以了。
这声音这么大，无缝。
是这样的。开机，去跟你开那个跑车一样，开始呼一下嘛。Connect the SSD.
应该给它清下回。
然后 2 SSD 2个硬盘不用回位置吗
3、5啥？
哦，3 SSD 3个硬盘。
客户看见了，看不见。
3 SSD. One is a hard drive. The other is a SSD card. Okay, connect the power. Okay, into the Windows system.
如果有账户模的话，他不用看。
没关系，差不多那里。
就看。
国内的你这跟人管得那么好些。Windows 10，11吧，10。The first time, the long time, because the motherboard, before is the power supply have the problem. So you have any question you can ask me about the MacBook repair.
他之前进来很快，进过一次，后来电池没电了。
Okay, now into the Windows system. Okay, 这关就可以。Power down, shut down the power. So good. 可以，可以了，好的，好的，
还没完全关机呢。
让干净。
我自己装的。
Okay, so today we'll show you this laptop. So use the battery is okay. Use the charger, no power on. The problem is the MOSFET damage. Okay, the MOSFET damage. So today we are complete repair this one laptop. Maybe the next week we'll show you the other laptop to repair the motherboard. Okay, Windows laptop. Okay, Windows laptop. So see you next time. Bye bye.
好。